Autonomous logistics company Zipline has reached a significant milestone, surpassing 2 million commercial deliveries as it expands its drone delivery operations to Houston and Phoenix in early 2026. The achievement reflects the accelerating demand for autonomous on demand delivery across the United States. The South San Francisco based robotics company announced the milestone alongside a $600 million funding round that values the company at $7.6 billion. According to Zipline CEO Keller Clifton, autonomous logistics has been maturing for more than a decade, and the last year has made it unmistakably clear that when deliveries are faster, cleaner, safer, and cheaper, demand isn't just high, it grows exponentially. Drone delivery performance metrics drive growth. Zipline's delivery system demonstrates impressive operational efficiency. The company's median flight time is 3 minutes, with eligible customers in Houston and Phoenix able to receive orders in as little as 10 minutes through the Zipline app. U.S. deliveries have grown approximately 15% week over week for the past 7 months, positioning Zipline among the fastest growing AI and robotics companies globally. The rapid scaling is evident in deployment timelines. Zipline's first Dallas location required 10 weeks to reach 100 deliveries per day, while newer sites achieved that volume in just 2 days. The company exceeded its Q3 daily delivery volume target by approximately 30% and reached its Q4 target 6 weeks early. Zipline's zero-emission aircraft have completed more than 125 million autonomous commercial miles, delivering over 20 million items. Notably, this operational record includes zero serious injuries, a safety standard that contrasts sharply with traditional ground transportation. By comparison, 120 million miles of U.S. driving typically results in approximately 600 crashes, about 100 injuries, and at least one fatality, according to NHTSA data. Expanding the drone delivery network, the new funding will accelerate expansion into at least 4 additional states throughout 2026, with Houston and Phoenix serving as the initial markets. Zipline currently delivers food, retail, and healthcare products directly to customers' homes, with tens of thousands of items available through its delivery platform. More information about Zipline is available from their website. Read more. Walmart and Wing launch major drone delivery expansion from Houston. Massachusetts facing hurdles in developing World Cup counter UAS. Trust Automation awarded $490 million Air Force counter UAS contract.